We are at ISC West, and this is Masterlock. We are a 100-year-old company, and we are a group within Masterlock called the Connected Products Group. And here today we are showing off our Bluetooth locks. We have a variety of locks, both indoor, outdoor, door controller, and giving a sneak peek at our new deadbolt, which is coming out in a few months as well. And these are all great locks that work with our Masterlock Vault Enterprise system. So you can access your locks via Bluetooth and codes and manage access smart, simple, and secure for all of your Bluetooth locks. Our Bluetooth locks are our secure Bluetooth products that are integrated within our Masterlock Bluetooth system. We have two apps, both Vault Home and Vault Enterprise, that all of the locks are connected with so that you can access your locks remotely and control who has access to them. All of the Bluetooth products have encryption so that they have secure Bluetooth interaction between your phone and all of the products. So thank you to all of the Pipl Systems YouTube viewers, and I hope you enjoyed the ISC West presentations and learning more about all of the technology that is available and now and upcoming.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.